Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a kite frame. First, gather your essential materials for construction. You'll need lightweight wood or bamboo like dowels for the spars. Make sure these pieces are straight and free of any imperfections. Also, have some strong string, a good adhesive like wood glue, and a sharp cutting tool ready. These basic items form the foundation of your flying creation. Now let's build the basic structure. Begin by cutting your main spine to the desired length for your kite, perhaps around 25 inches. Next, measure and cut a cross spar, which will determine your kite's width. This piece should be shorter than the spine. Carefully mark the exact center point on your cross spar. This is where it will connect to the spine. With your spars prepared, it's time to join them. Place the cross spar perpendicular to the main spine, aligning its center mark with the spine. Secure this joint firmly using strong string, wrapping it tightly around both pieces. Apply a small amount of glue to reinforce the wrapping. Double-check that your frame is balanced and perfectly symmetrical for optimal flight. To complete your frame, reinforce all the joints with extra string or strong tape for added durability. Next, attach a small loop of string at the very top and bottom of the main spine. These loops will serve as attachment points for your kite's covering. Finally, create the bridle points, typically 2 or 3 points along the spine, crucial for attaching the flying line and ensuring stable flight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.